Alright, ma'am. Ma'am, may tatanong lang po ako, no? Para malinaw rin po sa mga kababayan po natin. Hindi po ba maapektuhan ng transition po ng bagong mga halal na senador po dyan sa Senate po? Ito pong impeachment trial po natin. Kasi nga po, bago na po yung mga, ano pong sinasabi ng batas dyan?
There's a long line of Supreme Court decisions which say that the Congress is a continuing body.
Mhm.
What terminates only is the session. The Congress itself does not terminate at the end of every session, no? Para po mas maliwanag, ating ihalimbawa ang isang korte. Let us say for example the Regional Trial Court of Batangas. Ang huwes po sa Regional Trial Court of Batangas, pwedeng mag-retire, pwedeng mag-leave, pwedeng mapalipat sa ibang sala, or unfortunately, pwedeng sumakabilang buhay, magkasakit, things like that, no?
Nga po.
Pero anumang pangyayari about the sitting judge does not affect at all the status of the cases being heard. Kung anong natapos nung prior judge, itutuloy lang
Yun.
ng succeeding judge. This is synonymous to an impeachment court. Kahit hindi matapos ng 19th Congress of the Philippines ang trial ng impeachment case, all we need to do is for the 20th Congress to continue what the 19th Congress started. We have a long line of cases decided by the Supreme Court already. At dito po ang sinasabing, the Congress is a continuing body. If sitting as an impeachment court, the same is not affected by the legislative calendar, it continues with its existence in spite of the changes in the personality of senators sitting thereat.